Reviewing footage from your Street Guardian dashcam after an incident. These SG1 files contain your driving recordings with embedded GPS and sensor data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play, analyze, and extract video from these Street Guardian dashcam files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality SG1 file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. Users search for how to open SG1 files when they need to review footage from their Street Guardian dashcam. The primary intent is to view, save, or share a specific incident, such as an accident or traffic event, which requires a compatible player or conversion to a standard format like MP4. The SG1 file is a container format, likely a variation of a standard video codec like H.264, wrapped in a proprietary structure. This design ensures reliable, loop-recorded video capture on the device's limited storage, often including metadata like GPS coordinates and timestamps critical for evidence. The SG1 proprietary design mandates association with Street Guardian Dashcam Viewer from Street Guardian. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows may play the file directly, but detailed editing must be done in a video editor. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the SG1 file and select Open With. Try Street Guardian Dashcam Viewer as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If you cannot access the SG1 file, no problem. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, playing in SG Player. Download Street Guardian Player from the manufacturer's website and install on your computer. Open the SG1 file and the player displays video alongside GPS map view speed gauge and accelerometer graphs. This synchronized playback provides complete incident review with all telemetry data visible during video playback. Next, trying VLC Media Player. Attempt to open the SG1 file in VLC Media Player, which often plays the video stream even without telemetry support. Use Media then Open File and select the SG1 file. While GPS and sensor overlays won't display the video itself, plays normally, enabling quick footage review on any system without proprietary software. Finally, converting to MP4. Use Street Guardian Player's export function to convert SG1 files to standard MP4 format with embedded GPS subtitle tracks. Alternatively, use FFmpeg with the command FFmpeg I input SG1 C copy output MP4 for direct stream copy. Converted files play in any video player, making sharing with insurance companies straightforward. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.